Okay, hey guys, so I'm gonna shoot this old phone that I have found outside of my house. So yeah, here it goes. Ooh, that was a nice one. Oh, it stopped right in there, look at it. That was pumped up on 25. The phone never worked whenever I got it, but it almost went all the way through, look at that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided I was gonna shoot it again. So it's pumped up a little bit higher this time. What? Looks like I done did it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that went all the way through. There you go. And I guess I'll put one through the numbers. So I'll be right back. Okay, one second. Let me move it to a different angle because the sun is in it. Okay. So yeah, I put one right through the numbers. Ooh, that one was a nice one. Look at that. Ooh, it went almost all the way through. Yeah, it stopped inside of the battery pack. That's pretty cool. I'll see if I can get that out real quick with two hands. Okay, so I managed to get it out, and it just left like a little dent in it. You can't really tell on the screen, but there's the BB that it left. And it kind of dented the pack right there. So yeah. I guess I'll pump it up and shoot it again. I already pumped it up off screen. So, get this brick. Alright. Should just destroy it though. Oh yeah, that went all the way through. See, there it is right there. You get in the shade. And it went all the way through here. Well, I think I done did this phone, if that's a word. So, there you go. 1 second. Just put everything back in together. I figured I'd throw it on the ground as well, so. Ooh, it flies. Let's go get that. Oh, the battery pack is gone. I messed up this a little bit. Don't know where that came from. Well, there you have it. So, see you guys next time. There you go.